friends.
Oh, so,
Yes, my cousin.
oh,
Your cousin.
Family.
Oh,
Like twins.
You're welcome.
You're twins?
No, cousin.
Oh. Okay, thank you, mister.
Same grandmother.
where did you go before you arrived in the city?
To Manado,
Oh,
Centena, and Rontebao, Toraja, and Makassar.
are you happy in Manado?
Yes. Yeah, Manado is very nice.
Oh, yes.
Sunny hot.
And then, what will you buy as a souvenir for your family?
Some sambal.
Oh, yes, yes, okay. Yes, souvenir.
It's good.
And then, how do you find the people in Makassar?
Very friendly.
So kind.
Very friendly.
Why did you decide to visit Makassar?
Because it's one of the two big cities of Sulawesi.
In this masjid 19.
99.
Yes,
Nice.
yes.
Cool ba?
And then, what is your favorite thing about this city so far?
Pulau Basah.
Oh. When will you go back to your
Hometown. Tonight.
Nga rin.
Tonight, yes.
go?
Last day.
Oh.
Last day in Makassar.
Yeah.
Makassar.
Yes.
And Indonesian, right?
Yeah.
How did you hear about this specific tourist attraction?
About the masjid,
Yes.
because we can see it from everywhere in the city. It's very nice.
Diba?
Are you happy in Makassar?
Yeah.
Because people is very friendly.
It's hot.
Hot.
It's hot. But people are very friendly.
Next,
What local dish will you try for dinner tonight?
Tonight,
Tonight.
maybe Choto Makassar.
oh,
Choto
it's very good.
Very good.
Choto Makassar.
Very yummy.
Local food in Makassar.
You can try pisanillo in Makassar.
Yes, pisang hijau and panaguto. It's very good.
It's a enjoy. Yeah, we are just ready.
Next, how did you get the hotel from the airport yesterday?
By Grab.
Oh,
It's very convenient.
How many language you speak?
Three. What?
French,
French?
Italian,
Italian?
English.
English.
it's very
I meet people of France. The Bentem
Yeah?
Rotterdam.
Yeah. Many French in Indonesia.
Next, where will you go after you finish your trip in Makassar? Next, what did you eat for breakfast this morning?
Breakfast.
breakfast.
No, breakfast.
You know breakfast?
Only coffee.
Cocoa.
Susu.
Yes, it's very
Next, why do you ask because to travel during this season?
yeah.
This season.
Because there are many holiday in France in May, so many days off. So it's good to travel. So you use less vacation.
Next, where did you spend your last summer holiday?
Italy.
Italy.
Delicious. Italy.
What?
Italy with our family.
What kind of food do you enjoy the most?
I am Gepak. And Satay food.
Hot.
Spicy.
I like
So
spicy.
spicy.
Pedas.
Yeah, it is. You speak Indonesian is
Very simple.
Next, how will you spend your weekend here?
Okay, it's finished, so
This is
today so visit masjid,
nice.
go to market,
Next,
pasar,
when
pasar.
Pasar.
Pasar
Pasar Cina.
Chinatown.
you arrive dari in Indonesia?
Not for a week. For a week ago.
Rel.
Thank you so much for your time and for answering my question. It was a pleasure talking to you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your trip in Indonesia.